Hello and welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a pinch of fun. Got ground beef in your fridge? Then today I'm going to show you how to turn that simple ingredient into the juiciest, most golden, most irresistible ground beef parmesan you've ever tasted. Baked in the oven, no frying, no fuss, and with that mouth-watering look that makes you hungry just by looking at it.
And the best part?
It's budget-friendly, super easy to make, and perfect for any day of the week. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you a trick that gives you the perfect cheesy crust, no bread needed. Let's go over the ingredients, and if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, because our recipes are here to win you over with flavor and simplicity. Thanks. And don't forget, the full list of ingredients is in the video description. Ingredients: 500 g ground beef, 1 egg,
Half a cup breadcrumbs,
1 clove of minced garlic, 1/2 grated onion, 2 cups of chopped fresh parsley, olive oil for sautéing, 2 cups of ready-made tomato sauce, 1 pinch of sugar, 1/2 grated onion,
black pepper to taste, salt to taste,
200 g mozzarella cheese, sliced, 100 g Parmesan cheese, grated, 1 pinch of oregano. We'll start with the base of this recipe, and it's going to surprise you. In a large mixing bowl, add the fresh ground beef. You can use lean cuts like top sirloin or chuck. The important thing is that it's bright red and not too fatty. Crack in 1 whole egg. This will help bind the meat and give it structure after baking. Now add in 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, or if you want a lighter option, use fine rolled oats. Add 1 minced garlic clove, which brings that unmistakable aroma. Then, grate in 1/2 an onion directly into the bowl. This helps release its juices and infuse the mixture with flavor. Now it's time to season. Add salt to taste, a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper, and finish it off with a handful of chopped fresh parsley for that touch of color and freshness. Now mix everything together with your hands until it forms a uniform, well-combined meat mixture. The texture should be firm, slightly moist, but not crumbly. You'll know it's ready when you can shape it and it doesn't stick too much to your hands. Once your mix is ready, spread the entire mixture evenly into a greased glass baking dish, creating a uniform layer about 2 fingers thick. This will be the base of our ground beef parmesan. Once it's shaped, bake it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. This initial baking step is just to set the meat and start giving it a light golden base, getting it ready for the sauce and cheese. While the meat is in the oven, let's prepare a quick and flavorful homemade tomato sauce. In a medium-sized saucepan, pour in a generous drizzle of olive oil and heat over medium. Add a minced garlic clove and 1/2 a finely chopped onion. Sauté until lightly golden and translucent. When the aroma starts to rise, pour in 2 cups of ready-made tomato sauce. Mix well and season with a pinch of salt, a dash of oregano, and a tiny bit of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, until it thickens and becomes nice and glossy. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Is the meat cooked? Carefully take it out of the oven. You'll notice it's set and slightly golden on top. Now pour that freshly made tomato sauce all over it.
Be generous.
Make sure the sauce completely covers the meat, spreading it all the way to the corners. Now comes the star of the topping, 7 ounces, 200 g of sliced mozzarella cheese. Lay the slices side by side, covering the whole surface. And to finish it off in style, sprinkle 3.5 ounces, 100 g of grated Parmesan cheese on top. This layer will melt and create a beautifully golden crust in the oven. Return the dish to the oven, still at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 15 minutes, or until the cheese is fully melted and bubbly. When the top is golden, with lightly toasted edges, it's done. The aroma that will fill your kitchen is absolutely amazing. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps keep the juices in and prevents the cheese from spilling everywhere.
Time to serve.
Grab a large spatula and scoop out a generous slice of the beef parmesan. You'll see, on the outside, a golden crispy cheese crust with rich tomato sauce dripping down the sides. On the inside, juicy, well-seasoned, tender, and flavorful ground beef. What to serve it with? Fluffy white rice, creamy mashed potatoes, or a simple green salad with olive oil and lemon. This is the kind of recipe that wows with its looks and wins hearts with its flavor. If you enjoyed this baked ground beef parmesan recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new recipes. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer serving this delicious dish with rice or mashed potatoes? I want to know your favorite combo. Next week, I'll be back with another easy, tasty recipe made with love to help you surprise your family.
See you then.